So we've got this 2002 F350, and this back lens is busted here. We got a new one for it. In fact, it's busted completely out. But if you need to replace it, there's two screws on the inside here. One right here and one down here. And we just grab a nut driver here. It is a 5/16 nut driver. You take those two screws out, and it'll get that lens off. Since these are broke, we got to get a pair of pliers on the inside to hold it so they don't spin. But normally, if the lens is still intact, you can just spin it right on out like this. It's the same way to replace a. So here's the bolt. It's the same way to replace the light bulb. You'll have to just take this right off. And then the other side, these are they just push in, but since it's broke, they just pull them out with a pair of pliers. Down here should come right off too, like that. Normally you just kind of wiggle the lens around. There that is. And then the bulbs, you just turn them out like that. The bulbs are still fine here. So that's the upper one. A little more challenging here. There it goes. And here's the new lens. It was like 25 bucks. I got it from O'Reilly's. So hopefully it fits, but we'll take it out of the packaging and set it right on there. Right here. And then we'll put the bulbs in first here. So make sure the backup light is on the bottom, and then just sits in there, and just twist it on. And do the same with the top one. Just push it in until it lines up, and then just twist it on. It goes a little bit harder, and then line up. Line up on the bottom here. You can see this pin needs to go in. And make sure everything lines up so it just sits. So there's the pins on the bottom. They line up with these two holes, and then the top has got the alignment pin as well as the push. So I'll just get them all lined up. Top one too, and then it just pushes in just like that, and the screws line up, and that one started. The bottom one started as well, and then we'll grab our nut driver. We'll just tighten them up. Simple as that. Once they're tight, you're ready to go. The sun's reflecting and it looks like it's on, but there it is, all in. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.